As you can see, I'm in this foreign landscape today. I'm in one of the most magical places in Alberta, Dinosaur Provincial Park. I love this place. I love coming here. I try to come camping here at least once a year, hang out, roam around, take some photographs. You can see by this landscape, it's this rugged, barren, desolate landscape, and I really, really love it. All kinds of wildlife out here, all kinds of things to see. And of course, it's November already out here. There's no snow. Snow's supposed to come on the weekend. But with this warm weather, we're having a really nice little warm spell right now. We get these warm westerly trade winds that are blowing in from the Pacific, and it's kind of difficult to shoot large format photography. But on this spot, in this area, this is where they've dug for tons of dinosaurs that have gone over to England, to New York, all over the world. This is dinosaur Mecca. People have been coming here now for 100 years to dig for dinosaur bones, and you just feel like you're seeped in history and walking in history. I'm just going around. This is my second time out here. You'll notice throughout the video, I cut between two different times, and I was out here once earlier this year, and I'm back again before the snow flies. The snow is supposed to fly here this weekend, so I want to come out and get some shooting done. But of course, it's pretty dull and gray. So I'm gonna wander around these hills, and we're gonna try to shoot some photographs to see what we can get today. But it should be a really good day, and I'm hoping that we're gonna get a burst of light towards the end of the day. And as well, we're up in Canada here, it gets dark here by 5 o'clock. So I only have a couple hours left. Going to try to get set up for one shot here. The sun is setting sooner than I thought, and if the sun comes out, it's going to light this rock formation. Half is going to be in the light and half is going to be in the shade, and it's got some really nice lines, so I think this could be quite nice. Of course, I had to set up. Right behind me is about a 20-foot drop. Into a rocky pit, so I wouldn't want to fall down there. Oh, look at this light now. 1 second, 45 means 32. 1 second, F32. Beautiful. Second, 32 and a half. 1 second, 32 and a half. 1 second, 32 and a half. 1 second, 32 and a half. Focus, focus, focus. 1 second. I know I'm shooting large format and I'm supposed to slow down and this is supposed to take a while, but when the light gets crazy good, I kind of shoot it like a small camera, my little Leica, and I go fast and sometimes I make mistakes, but I gotta keep reminding myself I need to slow down and shoot one photo, and I can't get a bunch of different photos, and I gotta concentrate on just getting one photo. And if I can get one good photo, that's worth it. And hopefully today it's gonna be one really nice photo. The light was just amazing. The landscape is fabulous. This is what it's all about. This is why I love being out here. Well, that light was amazing. Got so lucky at the end. I was kind of hoping for that. Oftentimes here in Alberta, it'll be cloudy all day long. And at the very end of the day, there'll be a little sliver, a streak of light that'll happen for sometimes a minute, sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes maybe 20, and that's about it. You get your best light of the day, and we got that tonight. It was great. So worth the drive coming out here to doing that. I was a little worried there's gonna be a very dull gray day. And I think I got one frame of that, maybe 2 frames of that. We'll have to see. It'll be developed normally. It's Ilford FP4 Plus, and I'm very excited to see this film. So yeah, what a great day. Now start the long trek home. It's a 2-hour drive home for me to get out of here in the dark. It's Canada now in November, and it gets dark at 5 o'clock in the afternoon.